Mata turns any video feed into real-time intelligence. Mata works with your existing CCTVs, drones, dashcams, 360-degree cameras, and live streaming from smartphones. Add existing cameras on the fly. Mata detects people, vehicles, intrusions, safety violations, and anomalies instantly. Mata works with live 360 panoramic video streaming. Detections can be defined by interactively creating geofenced areas. For example, vehicle counting and vehicle categories to determine traffic congestion level. Every detection is converted into insights, helping teams respond faster, plan better, and reduce risks. Customized reports can be generated on the fly and downloaded as soft copy files. The map view allows you to manage cameras across your entire network in one place. Mata includes powerful interactive measurement tools that allow users to analyze any scene with precision. With just a few clicks, you can draw lines, measure distances, calculate area coverage, and even estimate object height, all directly from real-time or recorded video feeds. This enables quick on-site assessment, verification, and decision-making without needing additional equipment. All AI models are developed in-house and can be customized for your operations. Mata, powering the next generation of smart, safe infrastructure.